Hello everybody, today we're playing Animal Company, and I'll show you the best way to make, bolts. So, the best way I make bolts is going down just sewers. If you're new, I'd recommend mines first, and then sewers, and maybe haunted house. But haunted house is actually kind of hard to get travel to. Also, yes, I don't have right hip or right with like stuff, so I have to. There we go. Yeah, the best way to get research points and other stuff is mining green ores, and green ores give you some stuff like gold, for instance. And I'll show you how to get bolts the easier way. Alright, so you see these little things. These give you bolts. How many? I don't know. But these give you some bolts to mine them. And while you're down here, you might have mined those. Warning, sewers is the most dangerous place I heard. Those can go off. Well, you do have a lot of good stuff that comes out of it. Mine these green ores, get stuff. Like here, gold bar. There's a reason why I'm saving that. It's because of the red light, green light thing. If it's red, you have to stop. If it's green, you go. I have this just in case. And you have to kill it. Whatever it gives you, it doesn't matter. You might get these little purple things. See, I got a research point. I actually did not know I could get a research point from these today. Well, maybe because I had my research limit yesterday. And there's something called apparently research limits. I heard that from like one of the videos. So, yeah. Here's another way to get research points. That a lot of people don't know about. But I will not show you that glitch. Because there's a glitch to do it, and they don't know about it, so apparently, and Grinks VR will help me find it. It said it's in all of them. And how to leave, you just open your Oculus menu and hit quit. Pretty easy, what? Right? I just stayed out here for a while. And if you accidentally move, that's not good because okay, I was just curious if criminal here. Mine these things, mine those things, mine maybe the green things if you want. That's how you get bullets. And that's the best way, I know. And the only thing you should pick up is gold and trophies and rubies, like diamond looking things, but red. And then I'm gonna show you the normal way to get instant coins and bolts, easier way. Alright, so you're done here. Right? So, you're done and you want to get out, right? So you want to get out, right? Now there's two options to get out. One, the easier way, just leave and quit. Or the harder way, going through all the way that. Warning, do not touch their veins. You will die instantly. I accidentally did that once. And I died. And on the way here, you should get a lot of stuff. Like, a lot of good stuff, a lot of bad stuff. Now, there's a lot of good stuff in there, but it's the most dangerous place out of all of them. See, black bombs you have to run away from. The monkeys. You obviously know about the monkeys if you have been to mines before. You ever been to mines before? Experience. Yeah, you go through here, you collect other stuff. And watch out for that guy. Don't make eye contact. How to find the thing, I don't know. I rarely go down here. The only time I was when I was playing with my friend, and that's when I got the idea. Anyways, how to leave without doing that, you just open your Oculus menu and you hit quit. So I'm gonna show you the best easier way to get research points and bolts. I'll be right back. Now this is the normal way how to do it. So what you want to do is, if you don't, so like I have a gun, you might need like a revolver or something to help you. So what I like to do when I'm in mines is go over here, go up to find the bullets, and buy them. I said buy them. And a couple more. That's it. Now I'm gonna go. Oh wait, my grip. My grip back. Not my grip back. My backpack's on my back. I'm a fucking idiot. Hold on, give me a second to sort all of this stuff. You can't see that. Now we go all the way over here. You're probably gonna have a stick, like noobs do, or crowbar. I don't really care. So you don't want to get the copper. That will just fill up your backpack. Instead, you want to go, just follow where I'm going, and it should be the most easiest route to get to. And you get the stuff. That's what I do, but I don't really follow other people's directions. So you guys are probably not even gonna follow my directions. Where is it? Is it down here? Warning, do not touch that stuff. No. That's where the spider is. And if you don't want to go down here because of the spider, just do the other method. Warning, it's more dangerous down there, so probably won't. There it is. You go down here and you look for some good stuff first, and then you go back to the second floor. Here, there's gold. If you want to mine gold, give you that. But sometimes you waste some of your pickaxe durability, but or your stick or your crowbar, whatever. Yes, everything has durability. And then this is how you get resource points. It's really easy. Oh, and if you want to grab the gold earlier, don't, because it will just fall all the way down the bottom. So, and then you can just pick it up. And warning, your backpack will get heavier and heavier until you can walk, so. What I like doing is keeping a bunch of stuff and that I do need, and don't keeping enough stuff that I don't need. Now, you should have gold. If you don't, well, the thing sucks. Now, I have a gun. I'm gonna empty my gun and I'm gonna this. See how faster I'm moving now? It's because I let go of my backpack. Warning, the stuff will despawn. So if you're not quick enough, it's gone forever. I learned that the hard way. How? Well, a long time ago, I was like trying to save my backpack for a while. And then I just messed the fuck up. So. No. Why? And warning, if it goes on the side, it's gonna drop everything. Now, there's normally a spider down there, so I'm gonna grab my Glock in hand, load it, and find where the spider is. Where is it? Should be down here. I don't know where it is. There should be a spider, by the way. There really should. And if I see it, I'm dead. Because I just put away my gun off my grappler. But I know where I went, so your stuff if you die, your stuff will still be there for a while. There's another tip. I hear the spider, so I'm running back. The spider will not come all the way over here. No. There's a barrier, or it can't. So, same with goes all of them. Sorry about the noise, but I have to cut a lot of parts out because I'm at low percent. So you heard that spider noise. That indicates where it is. So you should grab your gun. If you do not have a gun, sticks work as well. I should not be doing this. Okay, I'm not doing that. Yeah, the spiders suck, so it's gonna be more fast. If the spider's stuck, you're dead. You're immediately dead. I'm just telling you that now. And I'm cooked. There we go. You will take some damage, and I got a rocket. A useless rocket. Wait, where did my pickaxe go? Hold on. God damn it! I can't... Where did my pickaxe go? Where the fuck did my pickaxe go? Hold on. Where is it? There it is. Do not ask about that. My friend did that and I can't. Hey, this rocket can go in there. It's not that too hard. And warning, the thing will respawn in a while. So yeah. Is it, what the fuck? Yeah, so it's gonna be respawned and my Oculus will die soon. So this video will be dead soon. So the video will be published in a few days. If no delays. There might be delays. But, happy Valentine's Day, guys, and yeah. It's Friday while I'm recording this, so. Yes, I'm plugged in. And there I go. Great. Why does my f***ing charger not? My God. Anyways, that should be it. See you guys maybe tomorrow. I don't know when I'm gonna post this video, by the way. So, might be Monday, it might be Sunday, it might be Saturday. I don't know. But happy Valentine's Day.